Bah, where is everyone? What the heck? What the heck, you guys? Where are you? Where is everyone? It's Monday. Yay, Misan's at least here. Hi, Misan. Misan's at least here. Fuck, Starbucks, you shouldn't be here. You shouldn't fucking be here. Wow, Case is here? What? This is unprecedented. Wow. Wow. Hi. Hi, it's Keisu. It's Keisu. Wow. Sleepy Monday. Sleepy Monday. Wow. Yay, everyone's here. Good. Hello. Hi. Yes. We're doing stuff today. Yeah. We're doing stuff. We're doing things. In fact, let me be a human for a little bit. I'll be human for a little bit. How's that sound? How about that? All right, guys, we're going to play with my game. And by play with my game, I mean we're going to, like, connect our faces to our keyboards in an attempt to program this fucking thing. I don't remember where we last left off on Twitch. Thank you. Aren't they nice? The little flow charts. They're so nice. Yes, visual programming, because I can't code. I can edit code and kind of understand it, but I can't do it. I can't actually do code. So visual programming with all the little flow charts. I like it because this is like how I think. And this is how I would like make notes for this if I was a note-taking type, which I am. I am a note-taking type, but like on paper. If I had a piece of paper out and a pencil or a pen, this is how I would do it. All right, so let's take a look. This is what's going on in my game right now. Okay, we've got my main character, Deirdre. This is new. This little circle underneath her is new. Oh, shit, I gotta fix that. The little tip, I don't know if you can see the tip of my cursor. There's a little circle. I don't like how it moves around. Do you see how it moves around when I move around? Hi, Platimage. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Hi. That's your hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Anyway. Yeah, my tip has a delay. There's a bit of a delay on just the tip. Just the tip has the delay. That's the problem. I have to figure that out. I asked the Discord, but no one knows. At least not the people I talk to. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I've got my main character, and watch this. Jen! I can switch my main character. Wow! I did this, you guys. I did this. Although he doesn't do anything. He doesn't do anything right now. Just she does something. And let's go down here. If I press F, he'll attack very poorly. He'll attack very poorly. I don't know if you noticed that. And then he'll disappear. And then I can right click and he should come back to me. There we go. Yeah. So that's what we're working on today. We're working on we are working on the player, the party AI. I don't understand, but whatever. We're working on the player AI, or the follower. I should call it the follower AI, which is this so far, which is this. So let's see here. Yeah. There's a few things going on here, and I'm checking to see which one. Here, there's this one, first of all. Oh, there we go. There's that one. There's that one. And then there's that one. And then no blink. Okay, no blink. The arrows go everywhere except to the enemy. Yeah, that's basically what's happening right now. I could turn honing on, but I don't want to. So here's the logic that I have going right now. In fact, let me just double check that it's working. So right now, if I press left click on one of these slimes, he'll attack. He should attack. He's not attacking. And for some reason, the arrows are going elsewhere. There we go. Okay, so okay, I need to fix that, first of all. And then if I press F, he'll attack by himself. And he gets this like glow on him. I don't know why the arrows are going that way. I really don't know. They weren't doing that earlier. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff I need to fix right now. First is that. I don't know how to fix that though. So what's happening is when I click on an object, a thing appears. But because there's so many objects, this is the first time I've tested with multiple like slimies, like all in a row here. So now I've got, let's see here. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. 3 locks are being generated when I just need 1. The arrows are going where the enemies could be. It's all about anticipation. That's exactly right. You have to aim where the slime is going to go. That's right. But Nisha's not very good at aiming, just like at all anyway. Sorry, I was pulling my hair back. I gotta pull my hair back because we're gonna need like a montage to figure this out. Let's see here. So I'm using field of vision tip, and that's what this is. The tip of my cursor. I'm using that to click on things, and it was a lot bigger before. In fact, I might have to go ahead and just make it bigger. But because it's so big, it's clicking on multiple guys. It's clicking on multiple guys, and I don't want it to click on that many guys. Like, it should only be clicking on 1, not 3. So this is what I gotta do. I gotta make it so that once one of these is generated, which I think is this default, then it has to destroy itself. That's not gonna work. Okay, hold on. Actually, let's try this. Let's try execute. Where is that? Execute object action. It is itself, but not itself. Let's see if that works. Let's see what that does. Let's go down the stairs. No, okay. No, it didn't work. Cause now, okay, so that didn't work. That's fine. How else should I do this? If there's more than 1, that's what I want. Okay, how's this? If I'm discovering, or if distance with another lock target, distance with another locked is more than like 1 pixel away, or like more than 0 pixels away. Okay, so if, I'm going to call this if, I'm just saying if another locked is on screen. I'll say that. If another locked is on screen, then I'll destroy myself. I'll fucking kill myself. The problem is if it all happens simultaneously. That's the thing. Is if it all happens simultaneously. Let's see what happens. Let's just see. Let's just see what happens. Well, see why? Okay, that didn't work. But the thought was there. The thought is there. So it's because of a delay. Or lack thereof. It's because there's no delay. It's too hot for your dog? I'm so sorry, Platy Mage. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry. How about I destroy object? But no. Okay, how about Is there like an if object is destroyed? Probably not. I mean, there might be, but that's not going to help, I don't think. What about after a certain time passes? Okay, so how about when I click set this, I'm gonna do like a certain time pass. I'm gonna do like a 0.1 second delay. Certain time passes. Where the fuck is that? It's like right under my face. I'm pretty sure it's right under my face. Where is it? Oh, because I'm not in the condition. I'm so stupid. Well, thanks, Nuha. Thank you. There we go. If after a certain time passes 1 second, then let's see if that works. Ah! Let's see here. That didn't work. It almost worked. Maybe this one. After a certain time passes. Or I have another idea. Okay, yeah, that's messed up. I have another idea. I set these slimes to allow wall detection with themselves. 'Cause then they hopefully won't be overlapping each other. I mean, they might, but maybe not that bad. Because they're not going to be hitting each other. Uh-oh, it's still blinking. What did I do? I messed something up. I messed something up. I broke it. Was it this one? Yeah. This one. Okay. Okay, let's see. No! You jerk. Also, my mouse broke. I think it's because I broke something again. Hold on. Let's go back to what I broke. How did I break this? What did I do? No. This is all the same as... Oh. Here we go. That's what was wrong. Duh. Okay. Fuck! I don't want all three of them. Let's make the tip smaller. We'll make the tip smaller. So tip is gonna be 15 by 15. Okay. Let's see what happens. Why is that happening? Why? So they weren't... It's their collision. At least they're not super grouped up. I mean, they are grouped up, but I just want to click one of them. I just want one. Okay, wait. I have an idea. We just have one. If I look for cursor player, I think it's up here. Hi, Lucas. No, that's not a problem. It's so nice of you to stop by, though. I have 6. So if clicked instance ID, okay, I have an idea. Ideas are had. In here, if the variable of the player cursor, if the player cursor's locked instance ID is not equal to okay, hold on. Is not equal to... Oh, wait. We can only do parent object. Yes. No. Can only do parent object. I want to do child object. Well, hold on. I got this. Okay. So if the locked instance ID is not going to be equal to my instance ID, If it's not equal, that's that thing. If it's not equal to my instance ID, then I want to destroy not this object. I want to destroy. I only have object self or fic. I want to destroy another object or execute another. Okay, all right. Change object. No, I want to have control over my child. Because the locked visual is Slime's child. So I want to destroy my child. Or destroy everything but my child. Actually. No. Destroy my child. That's right. Hold on. Okay. So I gotta think about this. I gotta think about this. So if it's okay, no, this works. Destroy. No, destroy. Fuck. Okay, how's this? How about I do this? So I'm gonna copy this and go to locked. Okay. If my parents, no, that's right. If the player cursor's locked instance ID is not equal to my parents' instance ID, it's not equal to, then destroy me. Then destroy. I think that'll work. And then, yeah, let's see how that works. Because there's only one number, you know? Ah, it worked. Look, we only have one. We only have the one. That was so good. Oh, I'm so good at this. I'm so good at this game. Okay, let's see though. What did I click on? That is slime 9 or instance 9. That's slime 1. You are locked. Yes. So what about any of the others? I have to make sure that none of the other slimes are locked or have the lock loop on. Oh yeah, okay. So slime 3 has the lock loop on. So what I need to do is turn that off. Change parent objects. Sorry. Lock loop to off. And oh, yeah. Oh well, I already have this. I could just put a big old OR in there. I could just put a big old OR in the same action here. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited that I got it to work. Okay. Oh, now it's not working. Why? Why though? Why though? Let me undo what I did, because that obviously did not work. Oops, what? Hey, hi, hello? Okay, yes. What did I do wrong? Was it this? Because of that? Because of that? Because of this? Let's put that down over there. If it's destroyed, though, then that's not going to do anything. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, that didn't work. So I guess it does have to go under there. I like constantly have to run over. I should just put the spawn somewhere else. Okay, why isn't it working? It was working and now it's not. What the heck? Everything was fine. If player cursor's locked instance ID is not equal to the parent object's instance ID, then turn that off. Then also turn off the lock loop. So now lock loop is on. Because if I skip this one, if I skip it, that's what that button does. Then it works fine. Yeah. Okay, actually, if it works fine, then it works fine. Hi, Lady Ada. Welcome to the stream. Wow, traffic stream. Traffic stream. Welcome, welcome. So I don't need this, but I feel like I do because I need that. Because otherwise, well, I guess I'll just test it. So basically what I'm testing is, why did you do that? Okay, well I can, why? Do you guys know why that's happening? So I'm clicking this one. Click that one. Okay, click that one. Click that one. Click this one again. Click this one. Click this one. Click this one. No, this one. This one. This one. I swear to God. Okay. Maybe we should just change the way the tip works. So I'm gonna change it to this and set it back to 2020. Okay. All right. I wonder if it's that delay that's hurting everything. So I can click one of them, but it's not clicking the one that I want it to click on. Like sometimes it is, and then sometimes it isn't. Like now. It was very clunky. It was very clunky, and I don't know if I like it. And now she's like walking in place. Very clunky indeed. Alright, well, we just have to fix this. So, let's see. Here's some things that I have, but I fixed some of it under Nisha follower. So Nisha, the party members have a toggle or a state where they're aggressive, and if they're aggressive, then they will just attack whatever. But I want the playable character to only attack if you have something targeted, you know? So, are you gonna fix the archer running to the slimes? Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out too. And I think it's this guy. So, let's make it like a shorter second. He needs to run away from the slimes, really. So there's a lot of stuff I need to fix. There's a lot of stuff I need to fix. So... God, that's so bad. That's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. It's possible to make this fine, I think. So what I want to do for Nisha is to say if he is face to face with an enemy, then run away from that enemy. Then run away. Template move settings, move away from the enemy. And then when you have run away from that enemy, then actually just go back to the attack cooldown. So once your distance with of the enemy group is more than like 20 dots away, or should I do the discovery? Let's do discovery. So my once I'm let's just see if it works this way. Once I don't have an enemy in my field of vision, my ranged field of vision, I'm gonna call this run away. Run away. then he'll go back to his cooldown and go back to attacking. Let's see how that looks. We'll see. It might not be too bad. All right, F. Run away! You tried running up the stairs. That was cute. What are you doing? What are you doing, my dude? That's cute. That's cute. All right. Let's see here. So that kind of worked, but not really. I think he's running too far. So let's set it to this one. And then I'll rename it to something else. F. Run away. Where are you going, my dude? Come back. He just doesn't know. He doesn't know what he wants. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, first of all, we got to set this to a walking animation. If he's face to face with other objects, maybe this is too much. So maybe instead of face to face with other objects, I say if he's discovered in his follow FOV an enemy group, then run away. And then how about instead of that, instead of after some time passes? So he'll run away for a little bit. He'll run away for like a second and then go back to attacking. How's that sound? I think that sounds good. So F. I think he's running. I think that's too far. Let's say 0.5. And there was something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, don't go to cooldown, just go to attack, I think. Or no, go to locked. Do that. Do that instead. Okay. All right, let's see. Ah. Oh, that's good. That's not too bad. It's not great, but that's not too bad, actually. Except for the walking forward when he is attacking. And that's because of this. Pretty sure. Or it's because of this. It might be because of this. You're having him run away from all enemies, not just the one he's attacking. Yeah, well, okay. So, I can try to do a lock target for him, but right now he's locked onto the main character, so he can follow his locked target, but I think he can have a secondary lock target who is the enemy, so we can do that. So if aggressive is on and I'm turning to an enemy, what I want to do is lock an object, lock an enemy based off of if that enemy's, we're just going to do slime, is already locked. No, because if it's not locked, then that doesn't matter. So it would just be regular lock. This would be lock the locked. Let's say that. Okay, so this is lock an enemy, not variable, based off of the monster's lock target being on. Whoever's on screen or within whoever's on screen. Whoever's on screen. Okay. So let's do that. Let's lock the target and then prioritize the lock target. Hi, No Fritz. I think I'm having an okay stream. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, so he's locking and then he's going to attack. It doesn't actually matter. Okay, so then that's that one, copy. And then this one is also a lock target. But this one lock, not that though. This one you can just lock any fucking enemy that you want, is fine. And then when you run away, you're running away from the lock target for a little bit. And if you are in range of, it doesn't actually matter. Okay, let's see how that works. Actually, this isn't gonna work because this is going to lock. Ugh. Oh no, I'm stuck. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Thank you. He keeps walking forward. I would like you to not walk forward. I think he's going to... Actually, no, it's fine. I mean, it looks really silly. How's my game going? How does it look like it's going? Does it look like it's going okay? All right. It's this guy. It's because if I don't have this after a certain time passes, if I turn this off, I find that he doesn't attack at all. Or no, he does attack, but he doesn't turn to the enemy at all. See? Because he's not facing the enemy. He's just like, you don't get stuck on the ladder anymore. I don't. I fixed the ladder. I did. So I need certain time to pass. What about like 0.01 second? like so short that you can't even. Oh wait. What if F? That's not long enough. Okay. So never mind. 0.05. Just see how that looks. I should really move my character. Well, at least he's kind of facing. Yeah, he's facing. But he's still walking forward. That's the shitty part. Sir Purr, you're late. I had a spam message earlier, Sir Purr. I had a spam message. Wow. I didn't know what to do, Sir Purr. I'm just kidding. We're good. We are alive. We somehow survived the spam message. We somehow survived it. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Turn to enemy, right? Turn to your enemy. 0 point. How about, okay, what if I say you can't move? What if I say I have an idea. I change his speed, which I think is a variable. Change your variable of movement. So your horizontal movement to 0 and your vertical movement to 0. Right? That's all. Yeah, there's not just movement, I don't think. Oh, there's display direction. Huh. No, that's fine. I'll just do this. So yes, vertical movement to 0. Do that. Well, turn and then do that. Wait. Do that and then turn. Oh, thank you, Sir Purr. You did it. You got rid of the spam. I'm proud of you. Thank you. We're safe. We're safe for another day. Okay, and then we turn it back on. Oh, my control key popped off. Okay, we're good. I've been using my control key too much. Turn it back on after you've fired. How's that sound? Oh, wait, I didn't turn it back on. Wow, Spacey Rook. Wow, thank you so much for the follow. A new lore seeker has fallen to the depths. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Thank you. Appreciate. Okay, so actually reset your these guys. Yeah. Wait, no. This one. Reset this one. Okay? Okay, let's see if that works, you guys. You excited? I'm so glad you're here, Sir Purr. Okay, F. Why are you shooting that direction? Who are you attacking? Also, there's clipping going on. I'm going to have to fix that. Who are you attacking, my dude? Come over here. I mean, how are you moving right now? Okay, hold on. How are you moving right now? Yeah, we're working on party AI right now. We're working on party AI. So I have to move this over so I can see what's going on here. So F. Oh, I think I know. Well, he's broken, first of all. Okay, I think I know. Okay, so turn this back on. I'm gonna go now, but I'll watch the box later. The box! The box! Okay, sure, watch it. Watch it. Watch it later. Go to locked. Locked object. Do this. Here. Yes. Yes. I think. Get rid of that. What's this? Ah, I see. I see. Shoot. Okay, well, I do want that, actually. I do want that one on. Come on. Bring it back. There we go. The box. No, watch the box, not the VOD. Hi, the Oliver. The Oliver. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Hi. Hey. Oh, it's Olive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi, Olive. I like Oliver. Oliver. I like Olive too. I also liked Olive. Okay, let's go in here. Press F. You okay, dude? What? There we go. Okay. So he's shooting, but he's still walking forward. But did you see that? He ran away. That was righteous. Okay, okay, okay. So there's something that's happening where he's not... Let's do this thing again. Let's go back to this thing again. I'm doing great. Thank you. I think. So whenever he's walking, it's one of these. I can't look at two things at once. Guys, you're going to have to look at two things at once for me. So when he's moving, I just need to see what he's doing. It's one of these things. I was dreaming of making a Pixel game too today. That's wonderful. You should do it. Follow your dreams. Just do it, right? Between go to locked and aggressive on. Okay, so this one. So go to locked. Bacha, bacha, bacha. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Wow, hello. Hi, Oliver. Hello. Hi. A new lore seeker has fallen to the depths. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome. Sniff. Many sniffles for you. You got a big sniff. Just for you, Oliver. All right, let's see. So we're changing the movement speed to 0. I have to make sure that this is even working, first of all. I assume it is working. Let's look over here real quick. Yeah, horizontal movement is 0. It's not a burp. It's interesting talking to an anime. I am an anime. It's true, I am. I am an anime. Yes, I am. So we're going to locked, and then we're going here. This is if there is an enemy group locked by the cursor. But what if there's not? Oh, if there's not an enemy group locked by the cursor, then, yeah, then we're moving toward the nearby object again. So this, let's just, what's this one? This one's move. This one's also move. So I'm just going to change your speed again. Hi, Rubs. Stinky. I'm not stinky. You're stinky. You're the stinkiest. You're so stinky. I don't know if that's going to work, though. Because I kind of, like, need him to walk. Stop that! Stop it. Wait. Yeah, that part you can stop doing, please. It looks like it's in his animation to attack, but it shouldn't be. Let me get rid of all of these. I'm just gonna get rid of these real quick. 'Cause I don't think they're doing anything. But you're right, it does look like he's it's his attack animation pushing him forward. Yeah, it's pulling him forward. I like that. And then get rid of that. And then how's this? This is nothing. Okay, let's just see. Let's just see what's going on. What if I attacked enemy and I turned his movement speed to 0 here? I probably should have done that before. To here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, he's still... So it's outside of the attack animation. Unless it's not. Unless it is seriously him becoming... It really shouldn't, though. So... You know, he should be in the same spot because everything else is exactly the same. What if turn to enemy is 0? And then attack cooldown isn't 0. That wouldn't make any sense. This one is 0, just in case. And this one is 0. Okay. And... Okay. Let's see. I really need to move these characters. Ah! He's not moving! It was something that I did! Also, look, there's something glitchy happening over here. It's something that I did, you guys. Yay! Come back over. Run away! Wah! He teleports to me if he gets too far. I did it! I don't know what I did, but I did it. Yay. It works. It works pretty okay, except that he's missing like crazy. Now I just want to target one of these. But I can't, because my game's busted and I'm a bad game developer. If I targeted one... now I have to... Maybe I'll just never be able to target something. And I just get rid of targeted creatures. Just get rid of it from my game, you know? Does he ever hit his target? I doubt it. I doubt it. And now he's stuck. Now you're stuck, my dude. Jesus. All right. I think it has to do with my locked targets. Hold on, let me hydrate. I'm just checking on these things. This one should be fine. It's fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so first I want to add Runaway to this. And we're going to use the object test. Sniff. No, get in there. Okay. And then see what's going on. No, he's... Okay. The object test, like, doesn't actually work a lot of the time, which is kind of annoying. Do you think he'll ever hit his target? I doubt it. But especially not here. So... If I turn this back on. All right. Well, I don't know. Can you make it so he just attacks nearest target instead of lock target? It should lock onto the nearest target. So turn to enemy is lock object. So he should automatically, it's set by default to lock onto the nearest target, whoever the nearest target is. If they're on screen, I can probably turn that off. While this one, he's not actually, is it this one? Here. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm pretty sure he would skip, this would be skipped if it's not possible. Okay, and then aggressive is on, which means go toward the enemy group, and then, right, if there's no locked target. How about if I just say if he's aggressive, if switch of myself aggressive is on, then get rid of that because that's just confusing. His bow does do damage. He does do damage. I just have the slime set to 100 HP. But if I turn that down to 10 HP, it does do damage. Just not a lot. Let's see. Let's see her. And if I press F, he will eventually, yeah, kill one. Okay. And he teleports back to me if he gets too far away, but that seems to be messing up a bit. So he's killing things. Oh, I want him to chase after him when they walk away, though. He's doing it. Wow. Okay, so if he's just regular attacking, right now what's happening is he's losing his aggression when there is no enemy in his group. So instead of turning it off, I want him to find an enemy in his group, but over a few seconds. So let's say find an enemy, because he's still aggressive. So find an enemy, move towards an enemy group, prioritize locked object just in case you have one. For like find an enemy for like a second. I just want this to look nice. Okay, take take over motion, and then turn off aggression if a certain time passes. I say like if 1 second passes. Let's see how that looks. From my experience with other party members not hitting or doing anything is standard. It's a feature. Okay. So he should theoretically chase after a slime. He is not. He is not. Well, he is. Oh, I get it. Okay, so obviously I'm so stupid. So if he finds an enemy, then he needs to go back to the enemy. So let's go back to aggressive on if he discovers an enemy in his ranged field of vision. Duh. I'm so silly. I'm so silly, you guys. All right, let's try that. That's the game if I ever saw one. Party members are so useful. Okay, here. Let's see what happens. So he's doing his thing. He's doing his thing some more. And look, I'm helping. Good job. Damn it, he needs to find someone. F. Okay, he found one. He found one and he's not hitting it at all. It's so useless. I think I'm supposed to be able to right click and he loses interest, but why are you useless? What's wrong? Do something. Okay, he got stuck at something. So he got stuck probably at probably here. I hope you have a great stream, Snoople. I hope you have a great stream. Thank you. Maybe after attack cooldown, what do I have here? Certain time passes, you can go to locked. And then locked goes to aggression if aggressive is on. So that seems fine. Let's do the objecty thing and see what happens. See why he got stuck. Sniff. Okay, we're just gonna hang out here and watch him go. You can't really see everything. There. Good enough. Okay, so he's attacking. He's attacking forever. He's no longer attacking. F. Okay, so attack. You know why? It's because, so now he's at stop following. So that's where he got stuck. I unstucked him. I think there's, learn some basic Python syntax today because I might switch my major to game development. Wow, that's so relevant. That's awesome, Snoople. That's great. How about if, I think it's one of these. Oh yeah, if a locked object is dead, I'm going to get rid of that. Because just because he's dead doesn't mean you can stop. There's a few of these that say something like that. That say if locked object is dead, you have an out. But I don't want that anymore. Okay, if aggressive is on. Okay, check if aggressive enemy nearby exists. If one exists. If one doesn't exist. Then aggressive off? No. Then I'm going to put this on. Okay, let's see. So this is he's aggressive, but he's following me for some reason. But he's still aggressive. So he is in this state where he's looking for either an enemy at all or if he has an enemy. So if there's no enemy, then he's turning off. But instead of that, I want it to go to find an enemy for a few seconds, you know, for a second. And then you can turn aggressive off. Why does this exist? Is it this thing? Turn aggression on, execute object, aggressive on. Why do I have check if aggressive and nearby enemy? Because I don't need that if I just say follow main if aggressive is on, then go to aggressive is on. I don't need this at all. Nothing. There. It's gone. I don't need it. I don't need it. Go away. All right. Let's see if I just broke everything. Wow. I'm so bad at controlling my character. Okay. All right, let's go over here and press F. No, Deirdre, you don't attack anyone. All right, fine. You can attack that guy. You're not attacking anyone. You're not hitting anyone. You're so bad. It's literally going in like the opposite direction. Okay, so after this guy is dead, he should seek out another slime. He sought out... Oh, and he stopped. I was so excited. He sought out another slime. Okay, so he found another enemy, and then he ran back to aggressive is on because there was an enemy. And so now it should go straight to... So actually, I'll just skip this part altogether. Go over here. You're over here now. Find an enemy. Now turn to enemy. That's what you're gonna do. Yes. Yes. Let's just make this look nice. Okay. And then when aggressive is off, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go. Oh, you already have a thing. You have an execute. Okay. We're good. Sniff. Sniff. My nose is stuffy. Okay. Okay, now we watch. Is this game development just like watching? I think so. You're not hitting him! Here, I'll help you. Or not. So bad at this game. I'm bad at making games. Dude. Dude. I'll lead the slime to you. Okay. There we go. No. Okay. I think you're hitting it. Okay. Okay, he ran over. He's doing good. He's doing a good job. I'm very proud of him. And then he ran over here and then he fell back to me and then wonderful. Guys, it worked. Except for his fucking arrows. Yeah, good job, follower. Yay! We did it. That's wonderful. That's so good. We did the thing, you guys. We did it. Wow, I'm so happy. Okay, let me save. Let's take a look at this arrow. So it should automatically, if I go to bullets up here, shoot at the selected on-screen object. I'm just gonna say enemy group. Just shoot at an enemy group. Unless it's like, what are these? No. I can follow an object locked by firing object. Could do something like that. Auto track. Let's see. Sure. Just because he's so terrible at aiming. It's probably not his fault. It's probably just the way I... Whoa! It's on me! It's on... I don't know what that did. It's following me. It's following the character. That's very strange, but okay. Okay, here, wait. Target the enemy group. Let's see what that does. Okay. Okay. F. Is it working? No. I don't think it is. But I think what it's doing is it's aiming toward their head. I wonder if I can say like don't do that. What if I shoot at the selected on-screen object group wiper? What's that do? What's wiper do? I don't think it's going to do anything actually with just one arrow, but let's find out. Why are you so bad? That's not bad, actually. Come back over here. He's going right over their heads. I think he's aiming like above their head. And I don't know if I can... I really wish that I could say... aim at the group, but lower, please. So if I go to animations, if I go to the slime, maybe it has something to do with their collision. So if I have a collision on, the collision should be fine because it's all the same. And then slime attack, the collision I'm pretty sure is all the same. Attack is all the same. The center of the object is all the same. Maybe I'll bring the center of the object down. Maybe it's too high. Maybe it's too high. So let's comment or get all of these and say the Y center is like here instead. 119. You have to do this for all of them. 119. 119. 119. And I saw that this isn't working. SMH. There we go. SMH some more. Okay. And then here you're good. 119. Okay, and then let's do the same with attack. 119. 119. 119. Okay. Maybe he'll aim a little lower now. Let's find out. Okay, F then. Come back. Keep attacking, my dude. He's still attacking pretty high up. Just go down a little bit. Like, that's okay. At least you're hitting. Maybe I'll go into the arrow and say that the center is actually... How do I move it? Like the whole thing. I want to move the whole fucking thing. Hi, Varric. Welcome to the stream. Oh my god, I just want to move the whole picture. There we go. What if I put it here? What if I put it there? No, what, that's not gonna do anything. Why would that do anything? Why would that do anything, you guys? Maybe it's because of the way that it's shaped. But I can't really fix that. Unless I go, no, because, no. Fick. Fick. Well, okay, let me try something then. Let me add another motion here, but this motion is actually going to be this guy. Actually, let me delete this and copy and paste. I have another arrow, so we can call this arrow 2. And set it to this guy and no rotate. No rotate. Let's see if that works. This arrow is much uglier than the other. I like this arrow much better, but it is what it is, I guess. Okay, so let's go to objects. Arrow. You are now a different arrow. Well, no, I'm sorry. You're the same arrow, but you're different. Let's see if this one works. Sniff. It's really hard to tell. No, he's still aiming, like, up. Oh, that was a good shot, though. Yeah, he's aiming above them. Why? Well, that's good news that I don't have to use that arrow. It's the same for any arrow. Ah! It probably has something to do with this, but I don't know what. What if I say it's the floor? The origin is the floor. What if I said that? Then what would it look like? Let's find out. It's hard to see. Kind of. Looks a little better. What is wrong? There's plenty of monsters here. No, it's not that much better. That's really good. I don't know, man. I don't know what his problem is. I don't know what his problem is, you guys. The internet said that it should originate in the center. Like for arrows, it should originate on the center. Maybe I can just deal with him being a very bad shot. Or maybe I can manually, like... The internet's always right. Why are you stuck? You're stuck. Why? My targets don't work anymore. So that's kind of annoying. But I think what I can do is just get rid of the target system. Because fuck it, you know? Fuck the target system. Fuck the target system. And just attack whoever's nearby. Because that works for me. That is not working for me. How about if, maybe under here, allow attack detection from player bullets. Yeah. And then player bullets allowed attack detection for these guys. What about... Hold I'm gonna blow my nose. Okay. And I'm gonna hydrate also. There must be some setting it's not going toward the enemy's center or something like that. You know what? That's probably it, because the enemy's grid box is so big. I'm sure it's probably I still have the salt. It's just over there and I would have to reach to get it. So it's probably because the grid size is 128 by 128. It's probably going right through that 128, so 64. That's probably what's happening. So what if I say shooter objects display direction? That's gonna be bad. That's not gonna work. Let's see what that looks like though. Oops, I hit my mic. Okay, F. How's that work? I mean, technically, that's awful. Yeah, that's not going to work. So it has to be shoot at the selected on-screen objects group. What if... no, that's not going to work. He's teleporting me if he gets too far away, because there's no pathfinding in this engine. So if he gets stuck behind a wall, then he's just fucking stuck behind the wall. There might be a way I can figure out pathfinding, like there might be something I can do, like with collision detection. Now my cog wheels are moving. My cog wheels, y'all. Let's expand his firing range to 100. Let's see what that does. I don't know what that's gonna do, if anything. It didn't do anything. How's his aim? It's still above them. Okay, put that to 0. Okay. Follow an object locked by firing object. Yes. Do that. Time until start of tracking. How about 0 to a second? What about that? How does that do? Nothing. Oh, whoa. We got circles. Y'all. Shit. No limit. Okay, so never mind. I don't know what that's doing. When he teleports to you, just have him yell flash step or something and it should be fine. I could do that, sure. I could do that. So this is the only thing that's working. It's just I need it to go down. Like, down. Okay, what if we go into arrow and then change its X coordinate or Y coordinate position, and we add 10 to it. Or are we minus 10? No. Let's try adding 100 just to see if it does anything. Let's see if that does anything. Whee! Did it do anything? No, he's stuck. Oh, okay. Hey, my dude. Where are your arrows coming from? Oh, I guess it did something because they're coming out from under here now, which means that's not working. It's not working. But what we could do is say, move toward an enemy group, even though it's already doing that. You know, what a dilemma. What a dilemma, y'all. Wow, look at it circle around. What the fuck? It's a trick shot. He's got tricks, y'all. He's got fucking tricks. You know who he looks like? He looks like that guy from Guardians of the Galaxy. What is going on? The guy from Guardians. Let's get rid of that. You know what? Archers fucking miss all the time. Archers miss all the time. So, like, whatever. It's a necessary weakness of his. He's not a pro. He's not a pro archer. He's human. Well, he's bunny boy. He's not human. But he makes mistakes, you know? He makes mistakes. He's just really bad. It's not even trying. You're not even trying, my dude. Just move it over just a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. There you go. You know what we could do? Actually, I have an idea. We're going to make a new object and we're going to call it target. We're going to call it bullet target. And I'm going to say that it can receive player bullets, but like nothing else. And it needs a group. So let me go to group management and call it bullet target. I'll just call it the same thing. Put this in the bullet target group. Yes. Okay, no animation. Although maybe it should have an animation. Sure, I'll give it the locked animation. But it's going to be transparent if I can do that. So let's go into here, and let's just make another one of these. So copy, paste, and I'll just call this transparent. And it's going to be no opacity. You can't even see, you don't even know that it's there. Okay. And then we say it's transparent. Okay. I'm just gonna call this target. And that's it. And actually I'm gonna, okay, wait. And then what I'm gonna do, sorry guys, is I'm going to, hold on, I need my chapstick. Here it is. We're going to add an object to our monsters. We're going to add an object to our monsters, connect an object, and call it bullet target. And this will work for any bullet. So, yeah. Connect, object to connect, under monsters, bullet target. Okay. And then make into a child object for this object. Yes. Yes, okay. And then they're going to share HP, which I think is on by default. Let's just see how it looks. We won't be able to see anything. So hold on. Bullet target. Let me make it not transparent just so I can see it. Here. So they should all be targeted yes. Okay, so they all have targets, so I actually need to move them down. So when they are connected, where do I do that? Hold on. Here? Yeah. When they're connected, go down like 60. I don't know, let's see how that looks. Go down like 45, maybe. Oh, that's good. Yeah, okay. And then I'm going to have to change that shape. But for now, that's working. And then set it to transparent. And then the bullet is going to go and try to find the bullet targets. Ah, big brain, huh? Big brain. So maybe it'll hit them. Let's find out, F. Oh, yeah. That's some good aiming. Oh, that's some really good aiming. Oh, my gosh. You're looking good, Nisha. You're looking so good. That's good. I mean, it's not great, but it's so much better. Yeah, he's a professional now. He is. You okay, dude? He's still getting stuck. I don't know what he's getting stuck doing. It's like when he's looking for something and he gets stuck. So I know when he teleports, he sometimes gets stuck. So there's this one. Teleport when main too far. And that changes unconditionally. But then it's like, but then what? Because if that happens, he could land in any of these states and like not know what to do. Poor thing. Find an enemy. So he's looking for an enemy. After a certain time passes, aggression off. And then I have execute object action. But you know what? Maybe I'll just get rid of that and just add a big ol' link to stop following. It doesn't matter. And change unconditionally. Maybe that'll help him. But okay, I think we fixed his aiming issue. Poor guy. Yeah, that looks good. Good job, Nisha. Oh, no. You're broken again. And I don't know who you're aiming at. So the object needs to die when the slime dies. And I'm pretty sure it does that automatically. Apply damage rate to parent. Well, you don't have any of that stuff, but what about you? No self HP. Stick to parent objects. I shouldn't have to change anything here. Apply damage rate to part. I don't understand. Actually, maybe I'll get rid of this HP. And then just set a common action to if slime is dead. So like if my parent dies, if where's switchy switch, here it is. If my parent object's HP is 0, then I will die. Destroy. And then that's it. And then I'm going to rename this to underscore bullet target. So I know that it's a baby. I know it's a baby. I'll call this just die, destroy. Okay. There's still some stuff I have to fix with Nisha here, but for the most part, wow, Chugwig is here. Wow. What's the occasion, Chugwig? What's the occasion? Also, look at my game. I got the party AI kind of set up for this guy. There we go. He's not the brightest crayon in the box, but you know what? That's okay. I think he's doing a good job. I'm proud of him. You're doing a good job, Nisha. Just watching him go. Okay, then he gets stuck. Why are you stuck? You should be chasing your friend. Just like how you just chased that slime. So something happened where he got stuck. It might have been one of these things. So let me change these speeds back up. It might be that his speeds are the ones doing the issue. Let's go back. And you know what? I'm going to set all these slimes to like 2 health. So that it's easier to see. Thanks, Sir Purr. Thanks, Chugwig. Thank you. I can always count on you guys to being nice to me. 1, 2. Okay, yeah. So that's broken. So he's still broken. And now he's okay. So that wasn't the issue. But that's good to know. And then there's this one, which is fine because he's still got his movement. Find an enemy is fine. Aggression off is fine. I just want to see where he gets stuck. So let's do the object testy thing. And see if we can see where he gets stuck. Okay, he's stuck. But I missed it. We're going to have to like go through the VOD to see why he got stuck. But he went to stop following. So how about Okay. So what's on stop following? Ah, there's this go to locked that's on stop following. What's this do? So if B is pressed or locked object is dead or if I don't have anything in range. Oh, let's get rid of this one. Get rid of that one. Because if nothing's in range, he goes back to he does something else. I don't know what. In fact, no, that's fine. Let's see if that works. Let's see. Oh, well, it was better when it was small like that. Okay. Okay. Well, it's too teeny tiny. All right, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, well, that Nisha is broken, but that's not the object Nisha. That is another Nisha. So let's get rid of this altogether. Let's get rid of that altogether. Because I think that was doing more harm than good. We have an escape to an escape. We have a, is this not? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay. We have an out from aggressive off to stop following unconditionally. That's fine. We have, in fact, I'm just going to put it on follow main instead, just because that's where they all are. We have this one. If anything is being pressed or I don't have anything in range, let's get rid of that. But if anything is pressed, you can follow main. But that's only if you're in the attack cooldown, and which I don't think will happen. Like he has to be in this attack cooldown state, and I have to be doing any of these for that to happen, which is unlikely because there's all of these states that he could possibly be in. So I'm just going to get rid of that too. I'm just trying to clean this up so it's easier to understand. Move that down there. Move that there. Okay, let's see. Ah. Sorry. Okay, let's just come over here and press F. Okay, well, they didn't stop working, but that's also because there's 2 Nishas. So let me get rid of this guy. Goodbye, Nisha. Oh, I have to get rid of you here, I think. Yes. And then go back here and do an object test. Like, thank goodness for this object test thing. It doesn't really work because of layers. There's some weird thing with the layers. So he's technically not going to do any damage down here, I don't think. Maybe he is. No, he's not. But I can still test and see if he breaks. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why the enemies are like invincible in this object test mode. I don't understand. But I should still be able to tell what's going on. Okay, so now he's stuck at turn to enemy. There is no enemy. Okay, so this is good. So now he's stuck at turn to enemy. The only way out of turn to enemy is if he's got someone. So if he doesn't have someone, then we need to go to locked. No. If he doesn't have someone, then go to follow main, because this will just go back to aggressive on. So actually, I'll just go to aggressive on, unless aggressive is not on. But it should be on. This would be a good time for Baz to be hanging out. Hi, noob. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. It's time to panic. It's time to panic. No, this is fine. We're figuring it out. This is fine. Okay, so turn to enemy. Let me just shoot. Okay, because this will bring them over if aggressive is on. So let me actually, whoopsie, bring this guy over to motherfucker. Come over here. There we go. Yay, I'm so happy you popped in. I'm so happy. Thank you. It's good to see you. Guys, this is a Pixel Maker friendo. Pixel Maker friendo. All right. If there's this thing, oh no, this thing, but not though. This thing, but not though. Then you can go to stop following. Or no, then you can go to follow. Sorry, I lied. I lied to you guys. Okay. All right. Let's go here. And then let's make it smaller. Let's keep making it smaller forever. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. F. All right, and then we watch. Oh yeah, he's not dealing any damage. I forgot. Well, we can still see. Yeah, I don't know why the object preview doesn't work for me. But you can tell he's on the top layer. Have you discovered the debug window yet? Is it this one? Is it these things? Because I have, yeah. Unless there's something else. Unless there's another thing. Okay, I'm just gonna kill this bish. Kill this bish. Okay, so he ran over. He's okay so far. He's running away. I didn't have it up. Don't worry. I didn't have it up. And then, okay, so he didn't break this run. So maybe we're good. Let me move this over here. Half of game development is just making sure things look nice. Just in case you guys didn't know. And I'm like a real game developer, guys. I think I would know. I think I would know how things are supposed to look. Okay, let's see here. Hell yeah. I am. Except for this thing. I don't know. I mean, I could figure it out, but I'm not going to right now. Actually, yeah, I could probably move all this stuff to the right side, or the right side. It's fine. I think we did it though. I think we made it so that Nisha is not so useless. It's not so useless. Actually, let's bring them all down here, because I'm tired of going down the freaking ladder. We're down here now. And it might also increase the range of his teleport, because that's been kind of annoying. Wow, he just shot 3! He just got 3 of them. God damn, Nisha. God damn. Proud of you. Wow. All right, cool. So, so let me show you. Sometimes he gets stuck like that, but then he'll teleport to me. That's why I added that. I wonder if there's a way to like say like if he is stuck on a collision, because there's tile events, and now I'm like thinking of totally like other unrelated things that don't matter, but I could say like if activate when someone touches the wall, we can do something to it. For pathfinding, you know, to figure out pathfinding. So maybe we'll assign a number, and then like if that number is 10, then move, I don't know, you know what I mean? Or like, I don't know. We have to figure something else. That's okay. This wow. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Go be your busy self. Go be your busy self. Go do busy things. You can create a specific tile group in the settings and then attach your parameters to that. Smart. So here, tile group. I can change the tile group, add a different tile group, and then say like if you're on tile group and then also if 5 seconds have passed or something. That's a good idea. I think that might work. Maybe. But I also like the idea of just assigning a number. So like if I say these numbers are 10, if you've touched the wall detection of the player, then if I go into your common event for your teleport, I'm going to get rid of teleport and say instead of this stuff, I'm just going to temporarily turn them off. If your variable, if your area detection, oh, I don't know if this is going to work actually, because what I'm thinking is if your area detection is 10 and it's been 10 for 10 seconds, do you think that's going to work? Like it's going to see that, and then like also you've been on that for 3 seconds. You've been with 10 for 3 seconds. I don't know. But let's find out. Let's find out. It could be interesting. Here, go down here. Once you it worked. Holy shit. Wow. So instead of teleporting, like whenever he's a certain distance away, which can get annoying, now he'll just do it like whenever he's stuck there for 3 seconds. Oh gosh, I gotta fix some of this stuff. I'll fix it later. That's cool. That's really cool. Good for me. God, I'm so good at this game. Okay. Set it for 2 seconds. I think 3 was too long. Yay! Wait, what's this one? This one was kind of important. If the main character lock goes off camera, then teleport to them? No, don't do that. And then I'll get rid of that too. Hooray! Wow! And they'll call it teleport when stuck on only some tiles. Actually, yeah, that's actually a good point. Is if... So actually, instead of that, what I could do is... Because then I have to... So, okay, I have another idea. What if I want to set it so that instead of if they're stuck on a tile for 2 seconds... Because then I'm going to have to put this assigned number to like all of them, which I don't really want to do because reasons. So instead of that, what I would say is if, and then it would be not a common action, but it would be here from follow main. So they're trying to follow main, they're in walking, but they're stuck. So if their XY coordinates haven't moved for 2 seconds. If their XY coordinates haven't... No, sometimes they would move. If both of them haven't moved... If... if they haven't discovered... Okay, let's do that instead. So, like, instead of that, let's say if they haven't... Let me go into common actions here. And just copy these things. Okay. If they haven't discovered their buddy, so their field of vision of follower, I'm amazed how much you've learned in what appears to be a short time. I'm horrible to ever just do art for Baz and other members in the community. Baz is the only reason I got drugged to the engine. Drugged to the engine. I like that. It's a drug. And now I'm doing DLC. That's so cool though, noob. That's awesome. I didn't know that about you. Actually, I don't know anything about you. I just know that your name is Noob and that you commented on a video waving. Hi, I'm waving IRL, but you can't see. That's really cool. Well, I did RPG Maker, and I know they're not the same at all, but RPG Maker taught me some things, I guess. Well, anyway, okay, so if the field of vision, what was I doing? Fucking noob. I fucking forgot what I was doing. If the field of vision... okay, right. Is not discovering the main character. He taught you how to grass. Your grass is beautiful. I love your grass. Is not. If the field of vision is not, and also 2 seconds have passed, then teleport to the main character, and then if you have discovered that main character, then you can continue to follow that main character. How's that sound? Yeah, we're parallaxing grass. Beautiful grass. Okay, so I want to turn off this common action temporarily just so I can test it. Because now instead of checking what tile they're on, it's checking if it hasn't oh, okay. So that's a thing. Okay, so it didn't discover me for a long time because it was having trouble keeping up. So it disappeared. And that's what this was. He disappeared. And he's gone, yeah. So instead of my follow, I'm going to set it to range because that's a little bigger. So if he hasn't seen me in his ranged FOV for 2 seconds. Okay, he's gone. That's fine. That's okay. Why won't you come back? I have this thing on. Oh, I accidentally didn't turn that back off. That would be why. I think it'll work now. Oh, I need to fix all of this. Look how ugly this is. Shit. There we go. That's so much better than the tile system. Let me turn this off. Let me turn that off and then turn off that common action. So much better. Get the fuck out of there. I don't need you. I got this. I got she's gonna break away. Wait, that's not the right song. That's no, that's Breakaway. And break away out of the darkness and into the sun. I won't forget all the games that I won. Got him. So good. Sour, please. I mean, the teleport is kind of like a band-aid, but there's no other path finding, so this is the best we got. You guys. I'm gonna press F. So I need to get rid of the... Damn, he's good. He's really good now that he can aim his arrows. Now I need to get rid of the targeting system. I had the targeting system and it's just clunky and it's just not working. So I think I just want to get rid of it. I don't really want to though. That's the thing. I don't really want to. Maybe instead of let's just start over. It's broken. It's wrong. Maybe I'll just change how it functions, because right now you just click on anything and it targets it for that cursor. And then what I could do is, hold on, I need to hydrate. This is a mess. Okay. Because right now, it doesn't work at all. If I run over there and click on someone... Oh, well, okay. It does work. But not really, right? Because look how clunky that is. Like, I could click on one. Well, now it's working fine. Where did you just run off to, dude? What did you just run off to? And why? Now you're stuck over there. I think it's because of my locked. I think it's because of this. We've got attack locked. Yeah. Ugh, this is so frustrating. I just want to get rid of this locked thing because it's... Oh, no, my glasses. Because it's just a mess, you know? It's just, like, not working for me. Oh, and he's also locking his own object anyway. Forgot about that. Yeah, because they're locking their own object. What if I get rid of him locking his own object? If I get rid of that, then there's only the one locked object from my cursor. Let me save, because doing this is going to fuck everything up. So don't lock object. Don't do that. Unless, wait. No, you can do that because you're setting, you're only going to lock an object that's already locked. Yes, but this one, don't lock an object, this one. Because this means he's going to lock onto whatever is already locked. He's going to attack, supposedly, well, okay, so here, supposedly he will attack the locked object that he just locked onto. Let's see what that does. Because now I can just run over. So far, oh, okay. See, why? Because it's my attempt at band-aiding the lock logic. Ah, sorry, this thing. This one is if the locked instance ID is set to the parent's ID. No, if it's not set to that, then destroy that object. That was my attempt at only having one locked target on the screen, but if I get rid of that, it's much cleaner. Wow, Lady Ada! You're fun with the fun. You're fun with the fun. And finally home. I don't know what fun with the fun is supposed to mean, girl. I'm sorry. I don't know. But welcome back. Welcome home. I think I was trying to say finished with the traffic, but then I was like, why did I say fun instead of traffic? So I said fun with the fun. I think that's what happened. I don't know. I'm sorry. But welcome back. Thank you so much for the 10 months, though, Lady Ada. Thank you. Yeah, now we have 2 locked targets. I mean, I can live with 2 locked targets. It's not the end of the world. But I don't like having 2. Also, why aren't you following me, my dude? You're stuck doing something. What are you stuck doing? Why is everything breaking all the time? Sorry. Oh, it's because locked target was... Okay, hold on. This is fine. Hold on. I want this over here, please. Thank you. Okay, so why, though? You were fun with the fun. Everyone's fun with the fun. We are all fun with the fun on this blessed day. On this fun day. Attack locked. So you went and you attacked the locked object. That's what you did. And now, if the motion played to the end, you're in cooldown mode. From cooldown mode, I'm just going to separate all these guys. From cooldown mode, you either run the fuck away, which you didn't do, or you go to locked. And you try to set a locked object, but you couldn't, but then your only other exit was this one, If you're aggressive, which he wasn't aggressive. Smart. Okay, but okay. But your target was dead. Your locked target was dead, so you're free. You're free. If your locked target dead is on, or your locked target's HP is 0. That might actually be a lot easier to say. Your locked target's HP is 0. Go back to following your friend, your mom, your buddy. Do that. Oh, go attack. You're okay? You're not okay. I saved you, though. I saved you. Okay, let's go back to this one then. Let's switch then. Sus. This is a little sus, you guys. Okay, go attack. Okay, now you're attacking everyone. I want you to only attack the locked object. And you're stuck. Okay, let's go back to the variable. Let's go back to the variable and use the object thingy and see what's going on. Oh, but that's not going to work because the object thingy doesn't work for me. Ah. Okay. Now what? He's stuck at go to locked. Okay, he's still stuck at go to locked. That's good. That's a good thing. So this needs to go here then. If your locked target's HP is 0, then follow main. Yes. Let's see. This is so stupid. This is all Band-Aid. No, you're still broken. Why? I gave you an out. You're free. You're free to go. Not like this. Okay, let's try the object test again. Go attack. Okay. You're still stuck at go to locked. Okay, what's the issue, dudes? All right, let's look at you. Let's look at what's going on here. Slime. Nisha, what's going on? Oh, you are stuck on is attacking, first of all, which I thought I turned off, so I need to fix that. Do I have I don't have a variable that says what they locked onto. That's okay. It's fine. What about you? Oh yeah, they are on the above layer. That's why they're not doing anything. How do I get them not on the above layer during this test? Okay, so I need something. I need something that will make them... Oh, I know. Aggression is off. Easy. Aggressive is not on. It's off. That should do the trick. That should do it, guys. No, go. Go attack. Go attack. Why won't you attack now? What? Oh, because he's stuck in a loop now. He's stuck in a loop now because... Motherfucker. Okay. First, I want to find what happened to fucking Nisha. You dick. All right, this is current main. Okay, so this is fine. Lock on the main character. Lock on main character. Become main character. I'm just making these clearer for me. Then I still have this go to locked. So I'm going to turn that off because I don't need it. And if I do need it, then whatever, then yeah. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So if I probably shouldn't have deleted that. Okay, so if A is pressed and there is a locked object. So how about not if A is pressed? It doesn't actually matter. If there's a locked object and there's something in my field of vision, go to locked in my field of vision of go to locked. Okay, that's fine. Sure. Then execute go to locked. Right. Go to locked, please. Now what's happening is he's automatically exiting because he's not aggressive. So delete that. So now he's going to attack the locked character. He's going to go into attack cooldown, and then he's going to have two options. Go to locked or run away. How about I say go find an enemy? And then what will happen? Go find an enemy. Go find an enemy. When? If there's no locked target for you. If there's no locked target for you, so right. If there's no locked in your general vicinity, go find another enemy. And if you can't do that, then aggressive off or whatever. That should work, I think. I said that for all of them, but let's find out. Okay, he's running. Okay, that's fine. Why? Run away. He's mad at me. Didn't I turn off the I thought I turned that off. Maybe it didn't work. Maybe there's still something. If I click, if I click, there he goes. Well, he's chasing the main character. He's chasing the attack. So okay, so that's what he's doing. He's going to the lock, and then what's this one? He's discovering. Yeah, he's discovering. And something is locked? How about no? Okay, let's try that. Let's see if that worked. Okay. No, my dude. Okay. What's going on? Don't you love how like it would work and now it's not working anymore because I changed like one little thing? Oh my God. Okay. Go to locked. Take me, slime. I'm over this. And then we've got this, but he's not even getting to this part. So let's do the object test to see what's going down. Get rid of that. Okay, click on that. He's going to locked. Yeah, he's going to locked forever. He should stop going to locked when he discovers the locked object. Maybe I'll get rid of this thing. Okay. Whee! Look at him come over. Okay. They're just running back and forth. Why? I'll get rid of that. If you have discovered locked, the locked object, then stop. That's what this is. Stop. But he's not doing that. Something's not quite right. This is if aggressive is on, which is not. Those are the only two outs from locked. If you find there's something, I'm doing something wrong. Come on, if you don't find. Oh, I'm programming, just not with code. Just not with code. Well, actually, they attacked that time. They're attacking. What? You okay, dude? You just gave up? Okay. Let me hydrate. I love the field of views. That's what's been saving my butt is these field of views. But what the heck? I guess I don't have to do a field of view. I can do distance with another object. How about if I am less than 100 pixels away from the locked group, or just like the locked object? See if that works. So like or. Oh, this just worked. Literally nothing has changed. Why won't you do the thing? I mean, I changed a tiny thing. I changed a teeny tiny thing. I didn't think that it would have this domino effect. And at this point, I don't, excuse me, remember what it was that I changed. Okay, that didn't work. All right. All right. Something. I did something to make it so that he doesn't want to. Is it? Let's play in normal. I don't think it's going to be any different. Okay, now he's just broken. Okay. Go to locked. Go to locked. Lock an object. Whoever has the locked target of on is going to be locked by you. Are you doing Baz's inception trick where you're spawning a child onto the main controlled object? Where you're spawning a child on the main controlled object? No. The main controlled object is Deirdre. I am spawning children. Oh no, I am. Yeah, main character lock. Yeah, I am. This gets and same with locked. Both of these get spawned. Main character lock gets spawned depending on who's being controlled, and then locked gets spawned on the monster that I've clicked on. They're both the same little circle graphic. So he is locking on whoever is locked. Lock target is on from me clicking. Let me do this for testing purposes. Go to variables, and I'm going to add a variable called locked object ID. And this is going to be set to this thing. One sec. Set. This one. Sorry. Set my locked object ID to the cursor, player cursor's locked instance ID. Then I can see if he's even getting it. The child is inheriting the parent. I don't know. No. Well, it's inheriting the position. It's stuck on the parent, but they don't have the same HP. But then everything else is the same. Yeah, everything else is inherited except for the HP. Oh, my glasses are back on. Thank you. Thank you, MH. I appreciate it. Also, hi. Also, hi. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if that did anything. Oh yeah, it's gonna do something. It's gonna let me know who Nisha locked on to. Okay, so where you at? Where you at, Nisha? Nisha. Your thingy here. Sorry, you're up here. It's 11. Well, that's good. So you're locked onto something. It's not 0. That's really what I was looking for. Hi, Pies. Kind of. Kind of. We kind of gaming. Okay, so that's all I wanted was to know that it wasn't 0. So he is locked onto something. So he is locked onto something. So now I want you to, how about object group now? Let's do that. I don't think that's going to change anything. How about I do that? Wow, this is so stupid how everything worked and then it stopped working. Jesus. So I had this pretty sweet fucking AI programmed for my party member. Everyone can attest to it, okay? Pies. Everyone can tell me that everything was fine, and then I changed one thing and it exploded. What if Nisha just disappeared? There was no Nisha. What if I just didn't have a party system, is what you're saying? That's what they tried to convince me in the Discord. They said I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it, Laura. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do followers. Just don't open that can of worms. No, now I have to prove them wrong. It was working. It's just this is not working. Oh, you know what? Okay, so wait. It works if I go in here and press F. This one works. He's really good at that. That works pretty good. And then he goes back to, it's just me clicking. He doesn't like me clicking. Because he'll like run off and do whatever he wants, which he's not allowed to do. Just need to take a breath. Truly is a can of worms. A couple devs have tried it. Will you be the first to succeed? I mean, succeed, it would be subjective in this case. He's running in the direction but won't stop. It is. It's related to that. Pies, you're so good. You're so good. Pies is gonna crack the code. But subjective is subjective is subjective. Succeeding is subjective because I'm okay with some scuff. Okay, go eat your food, your FUD. Let me put on my single brain cell. Yeah, okay, so this is what's happening, Pies. Are you ready? You ready? Actually, let me turn on his fields of visions. He's got this one. He's got this one. He's got this one, and he's got this one. We're not even gonna be able to see him under all these fields of visions. Is it on go to locked? Yeah, he's stuck on go to locked. He's stuck, so he's... I think I know. I think I have an idea. I think I have one. I'm going to make a new option where I'm going to call it lock on target. And then we're going to actually just move this fucker, lock object, to lock on target. Yeah, we're going to do that. And then I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of this. I don't need that anymore. And then that. And then that. So if I go into common action, go to locked, we're actually going to go to lock on target instead of that. We're going to do that instead. And then we're going to add a link to go to locked unconditionally. What's the odds he's stuck on a loop where he goes to locked, then keeps on looking? Yeah, he's stuck on locked. So we actually have an object test debugger testy thing. Dude, look at all of his overlays. So good. That will show me what he's on. And he keeps getting stuck. Well, now he's stuck on lock on target, which makes sense because I didn't give that an out. Well, I did, but I did. Oh, but then he's going, no. And then he should be moving toward his lock target. Move toward lock target. And then he's supposed to and then when he's, here, I'll set that back to ranged. Then when he's, it should be working. Why? Oh, thank you for the coffee. That's going to help me. This is going to help. All right. Look at all those fields of visions. So many fields. So many visions. All right. So now they're stuck on lock on target. Is it because there is no target to lock, or is it because there's two? Really? No, they're still stuck on lock on target. They're trying to lock on this guy. Okay. Lock objects within field of vision. Let's say that. Let's say that. What field of vision though? It doesn't say. Just field of vision. This is stupid. Okay. How does the thing tell when it should stop going to lock? Like, does it check if it's attacking and if the enemy is still alive? So what's happening, here's from beginning to end, okay? From beginning is this one, go to locked. The condition is if there is a locked object. There is a locked object, which there is. There is a locked object. And in his go to locked discovery field of vision, there is a locked object, which is also called locked, but it's not actually the locked object. It just happens to be called locked. Maybe I should rename this to, like, enemy circle. Enemy circle. There, because that might make it easier to... Yeah, okay. So if enemy circle... Whoops. Wait, what? Oh, sorry. I'm in the wrong place. Sorry, I'm in the wrong place again. Here we go. If there's a locked object, and let me just make sure. Yeah, that's an enemy. If there's a locked object, that's an enemy. Nice burp. And enemy circle is in my go to locked field of vision. Then execute object action. Lock on target. So he's going to execute lock on target. So he's going to lock onto, and then I have this checked, but that didn't do anything. Lock objects on screen. He's going to lock onto whoever has this switch on. That's it. Lock on target is, what is its end point? It means that he's locked on someone. So then we have change unconditionally. So no matter what, it will change to go to locked. It will change no matter what, unconditionally. So he'll lock on an object, then it should directly go to locked. Go to locked is move toward your locked enemy. Or whatever. I guess I could say move toward enemy group, prioritize locked object. That works too because he just locked onto an enemy. So move toward enemy. Let's see if that worked. Who knows? No, they're stuck. Whoops. What's he stuck on? Yeah, he's stuck on lock on target. Is it because he can't lock onto an object? Let me get rid of that. When lock on target. What about this one? You want to lock on this one? On this one? On this one? Well, okay. My locks are broken anyway, to be fair. To be fair, my lock is broken. So that's probably what's going on. It's because my locks are broken. Had to hydrate. Because it used to be that the locks, or the enemy circles, we'll call it the enemy circles. It used to be that the enemy circles would only be like... Have you tried it as a switch instead of a variable? Maybe switch that and see if it works. Let me see. Hold on. Try me making it, remaking it. I have to remake this click anyway. I think that's what I have to do because I think I messed with this too much that it's lost all of its integrity. That it's just collapsing in on itself. If I get rid of these slimes, you might see... Belated. I think it should work if I just have one slime. But maybe it won't work. There he goes, and then he's stuck. Yeah, that's not working. It used to be that I was able to... There's screenshots of it actually on somewhere. I took screenshots of it working. Where I could click on a monster and then click on another one, and only one of those objects would exist at one point, at one time. Oh, I made a video about it. That's embarrassing. Probably should fix that video. Oh, well. All right. Well, whatever. This was fun. So apart from that, I still managed to get Nisha's auto attack working. So just not his locked attack. And the locked attack, the way I think I'd structure the logic to have clear ends, I guess it would be fine. You would be fine. You would be fine. I don't think I read that right. What was I saying? I think I was saying something. Oh, I set up his auto attack working. So if I didn't have a locked system at all, it would be fine. But I feel like I should have a locked system. You know? Hey, keep going. Jeez. There. Thank you. Like, I feel like an ARPG should have a locked system, you know? Let me turn off all of his overlays. It's a lot. Fields of vision, I mean. There's too many. There's too many fields of visions. It's just this stuff that's not working. It's the locked. So like there's an aggressive mode. That's what this is. If aggressive is on. I could be wrong. It looks like your mouse fob is pretty large. I don't know where you have the connection points set up for in the animation tab, but making the fob smaller might help with the multiple locks issue. Yeah, I did try earlier today to make the FOV, the fob, on player cursor. I did try making that like 1 by 1, and then I tried 5 by 5, but it didn't work. And I think the issue is, and Noob, if you know how to fix this, that'd be great. But the issue is that that's moving. It's like super laggy. And I used to have it as an actual cursor. But because it's so laggy, I turned that off because it just looks broken. You know, it just looks like it doesn't work. Check if enemy is within range, move to target, check if it's within attack range, attack, check if enemy is still alive. If true, keep attacking. If false, stop. I mean, it doesn't have that. Well, I mean, it does. Hold on. So pies. So what happens is, go to your locked target, discover your locked target in attack range, in ranged range. Yep. So yeah, like you said, then attack, which is just firing a bullet. Go into attack cooldown. From attack cooldown, you can either run away or you can go back to locked. I used to have a way to... didn't I have an escape from that, you guys? We had an escape. I might have deleted it because we were messing around with the locked stuff. So we used to have an escape from go to locked that went to follow me. If the locked... Oh, that's what it was. If the locked target was dead, but that's what's not working, is because the locked target... There is no locked target. Shouldn't attack cooldown go to lock on target now? If we even could lock on target. Where does it go now if you're aggressive? If you're aggressive, if you're not doing any of the locks, then it goes back to aggressive on, which just means go back and find an enemy. Find an enemy or turn to enemy. And if you can't find an enemy in 2 seconds, then aggressive off, you go back to follow main. So if it's aggressive, you're fine. If it's trying to find a locked thing, it's not fine. And Pies, I appreciate the help, but at this point, I just need to redo the entire locked system because I think that's what the issue is. I think that's the issue. Are you copying the chords of the mouse position directly and updating the position through the 2 actions? No, Baz gave me I had a loop where it was constantly updating cursor's XY coordinates. But Baz made me this script, but it does the same thing. It's just setting the XY coordinates to my mouse's XY coordinates. I'm just trying to work out how this would work. Yeah, I need to figure out the lock, that's all. Once I figure that out, then we can scratch our heads at why this isn't working, if it's still not working. But I'm very tempted to just erase all of these and start over. If Baz gave you something, then that's better than my opinion. Okay. This is just a script to do the same thing as the loop back and forth, but I really wish there wasn't that lag because it just is ugly and it kind of ruins the game for me. Just kidding. Let me move this up for no particular reason other than to do something. It lagged with the loop. Yeah, it did. Yep. Even in a totally new game. Do I still have that game? Let me save this. Open. Cancel. No. But even in a totally new game, it was lagging. So I don't know how people would do a cursor thing without lag. There must be some secret that I am not privy to. Is there some kind of cursor function? There's a setting where you can put the mouse pointer as like one of these things, but it's not on because I was told that's really laggy if you had that on. So I don't know. Click. Maybe it shouldn't be the XY coordinates. Maybe it should be change my XY coordinates. No, it's really only XY coordinates. There isn't anything else that I could do here. Hi, Air. Welcome to the stream. PGM is a bit misleading when it comes to mouse. They threw so code in there for it, but engine itself truly is not meant to function with a mouse. I don't want to use a controller. I refuse. I only want to use a mouse and keyboard. I refuse. Oh, well. I mean, it's fine. I'll figure it out. If it doesn't work, I'll get rid of the locking mechanism and we'll do something else. We're PC gamers. Yeah, we're PC gamers here. Fuck the controller. That's secondary to me. I am going to figure out controller support after. Oh, well. All right, guys. I think we're going to raid someone. a person or two. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I'm in a hot tub. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Hot tub time. Hot tub time. We're in a hot tub. I'm gonna get banned for being in this hot tub. Wow. All right, who are we raiding? Who should we raid? Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I don't know. Let's raid Argama's birthday or Leaflet. We could do, I don't know. Who do you guys want to raid? Who do you want to raid? Let's do a random who else is doing Pixel Game Maker right now? No one? Is anyone doing RPG Maker right now? No one is doing that. Someone is doing RPG Maker. Yay. Thank you. Oh, I have to watch this. I don't know this person is the problem. I'm afraid to raid into someone I don't know and then some terrible things will happen. No, not RPG Maker. Let's do Liddy. Do they have a game development category? Or are you being, I don't know if you're being sarcastic or not, Pies. I don't know. So we're just gonna raid Liddy. Wow. Thank you so much, Noob. I appreciate it. All right, Liddy Barn. You guys are awesome, and I really love you guys for hanging out with me tonight. Oh, I understand. I understand now, Pies. Thank you. I was afraid that you were being snarky with me, which I wouldn't be surprised if you were. Thanks so much, everyone, for hanging out with me tonight and for trying to figure this out with me. We did do some AI, okay? We got the aggressive AI down. Okay, now what we need is the support AI, or the AI that just goes toward the locked target. So, yay. Thank you. Yeah, Pies, it's also always good to have you. And you too, Ada. And you 3, Noob. And you 4, Rubs. And you 6, Sir Purr. And everyone else who is here. And no Fritz. No Fritzes at all. None Fritz. Wow. Fuck. Siren Raid. Thingy. You all better be subscribed to me so you can use that emote. I thought I had it. Oh, there it is. I do have it. Okay, guys, we gotta go. Bye. Have fun. Bye. Oh, Varric too. Shit.